Hello everybody. In today's lesson we're going to learn how to buy crypto using Newton. So first thing you do is you log into Newton. If you don't have an account, click on the link below and you get $25 and I get $25 with your first crypto purchase. So this would be the dashboard. Look, I have $25. What can I do with it? Alright, let's see. So you have a portfolio here. Once you add the coins, which we've done in a previous video, I'll link that below, you can purchase coins. So let's see what kind of coins Newton has to offer. So in the dashboard, you can see market here. Click on all coins. You can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Stellar, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Monero, USD coin, Tether coin, and QCAD coin. Now these three coins right here are called stable coins, and that means that their price is equivalent to the American or Canadian dollars. USD coin and Tether, the price pretty much is equal to whatever the US dollar is in comparison to Canada, and the QCAD coin is equal to the Canadian dollar. If you were to buy any of these coins, my recommendation is to buy Tether. The good thing about Tether is it has very low transaction fees. So let's say you want to take the money from Newton and transfer it to a different cryptocurrency exchange or to a different wallet. It wouldn't charge you as much fees as if you only had Bitcoin or Ethereum. So what I would do is I convert whatever coins I have into Tether, and then I would transfer it to a wallet or to a different crypto exchange, where then you can transfer it again to a coin of your choosing. All right, so if you do want to buy coins, what you would do is you go here to the right dash and you go all the way here to trades. Click on trades, and then you can pick your coin here. So this is right now Tether, so you can go ahead. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin directly. You can click on 25%, 50% or max, and that would pretty much put your entire portfolio. You can also click here and customize. If you want to put $14 worth of Bitcoin, you can pick that, and it will convert it based on the market value. All right, you can't really do limit orders yet. It's something that they say they're going to have in the future with Newton, but currently you can only buy market value. And then you click on review trade, and then once you do that, you click on buy BTC. The good thing about Newton is that the fees are rather low. They're included in the trade cost. So I think it's usually between 0.1 to 0.5% of fees of whatever you're spending. So they're quite low and they're included in the trade. Alright, so that's the lesson on how to buy Bitcoin and exchange it on Newton. Don't forget to click on the description link below to sign up to Newton if you don't have an account and get that free $25 bonus.